If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this lecture 3 of this basic trigonometry part 1 level. Here we are solving Tripura University questions. So okay, today we will be solving up to question number 7, question number 1 to 7. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. Find the value of 10, 195 and 1075. So if you want to find 10, 195 and 1075, so you think 195 is 15 more than 180 and 75 is 15 less than 90. So that means there is a something common in between them, that is 15. So we will convert it in that way. So it will be 180 plus 15 and we will write it in 90 minus 15. So tan 180 plus theta, in which quadrant it is? I told you using that property, tan 180, from here you start 180 plus 15, so it is in third quadrant. So third quadrant tan is positive, so mother positive, so child will be also positive, and because it is a horizontal line, then so there will be no shift, so it will be tan 50 multiplied by tan 90 minus theta. You have already seen, that is cot theta. So cot 15 is into tan 15, cot 15 is 1 by tan 15, so tan 15 get cancelled, so answer is 1. Number 2, if tan k theta, if tan k theta is equal to k tan theta, then you have to show this. So this type of proof if you want to do, then you have to think from which side you should start, so that you can do something. So you should be able to start from somewhere. So if you see, if I put the values of k here in the right hand side, then I can do something here. I can do some LCM, I can do, but here if I put k value, here it is absurd. Here you cannot do something because it is very simplified version. But here if you do put the value of k, you can do lots of things. So you can play around something. So that's why you will put the value of k in the right hand side, or you can do in both sides also. In left hand also you do some step, in right hand also you do some steps. At the end both should be equal. That is the purpose. It is not that you should start from here, you should reach from here, or you should start. There is no hard and fast rule. You can go either way. And trigonometry, it is better if you go in both way also, and you do some 5 steps here, 10 steps here, and at the end both these answers are equal, then you can say these two sides are equal. Okay, so from here if you calculate k, what is k? K is equal to tan k theta divided by tan theta. This one, k, this if you go that side, then if you divide it, it will be sin k theta divided by cos k theta, and tan theta, it is sin theta by cos theta, so it will be cos theta by sin theta. So this is the value of k. Now in the right hand side if you put, what is your right hand side? K square by 1 plus k square minus 1 sin square theta. So if I put it there, so let me write, let me put 1 by 1 k square. Let me put first 1 k square, because if I put everything here, it will can look like a clumsy one. So let me put first this one. Let me keep it as it is. Let me see what happening. So if I put it like this, so it will be sin square k theta, then cos square theta, square of this one, cos square k theta. If you do it here now, k square into, so if you take LCM, sin square get cancelled. So in the LCM, what will be left here with? Only cos square k theta, and that you have again take with 1 LCM. Then cos square k theta will come up. You can do it. I am directly writing it. So cos square k theta will come up. So here it will be cos square k theta. This one was the LCM of this one. This get cancelled. Then you again take LCM with this one, and then cos k square theta can go now. Now if you can think here, because we need to go to sine, all are sine. So let us eliminate cos here. So from these two you can take cos square k theta. You have to, every step you have to see where you have to reach, so you have to do in that way. So if I take cos square k theta common in these two, it will be 1 minus sin square theta, and then sin square k theta cos square theta. Now if you see, now 1 minus sin square is cos square. Now if you take cos square common, then cos square k theta, sin square k theta get cancelled out. So something is coming from here. So if I take, this is 1 minus sin square is cos square. So if I take cos square theta common, then this is cos square k theta plus sin square k theta, and then this is cos square k theta. So you will get this is 1. You are getting this one, k square into cos square k theta by cos square theta. Something of this fashion, but in cos you are getting. So now you put again k value. You will see this cos will get cancelled and you will get the answer. So k is your sin square k theta by cos square k theta, cos square theta by sin square theta multiplied by cos square k theta, cos square theta. Cos square theta, everything get cancelled, so you got the answer. So it is your sin square k theta divided by sin square theta. So question number 3, find the value of sin 75. Now sin 75 is, how we can do it? Sin 75, if you try with 90 minus this, then 90 minus 15. 15 you don't know. So what you can do, you can use sin 30 plus 45. 30 plus 45. So this will also give you sin 75. So you can apply sin A cos B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So if we apply all this, so it is half 1 by root 2, cos 30 is sin 60 root 3 by 2. So 2 root 2 and then 1 plus root 3. If you have calculator, you can solve it or you can keep it. Now you have to show that cos square alpha plus cos square this one. For square, you know there is a formula. What was the formula? Cos square alpha plus cos square 240 minus alpha plus cos square 240 plus alpha. So this is your LHS. I start with if I. So if you can see your formula chart with cos square, this is a formula, because cos square b minus cos square a is a formula if there is a minus, but there is no minus. So one thing you can go with cos square a minus sin square b. This one you can go, or this one, whatever. Both are same answer. Both you can think of a b. So one is cos a plus b, one is cos a minus b. So let us go in that way, because in that way my alpha will get cancelled if I add these two. So okay then. So if I do it, I need to make one sin square. So if I make this one as a sin square, so it will be cos square alpha plus cos square 240 minus alpha plus 1 minus cos square 240 plus alpha. Sorry, it will be sin square 240 plus alpha. So it will be, what I am lefting with 1 plus cos square alpha, what I left with 1 plus, and this is cos square a minus sin square b, you can think these two. So it will be cos a plus b, this plus this, so this plus this will be, should I write it? Okay, let me write it, 240 plus alpha and cos a minus b, this minus this. So this minus this is minus 2 alpha. I am not writing it 240 get cancelled. So it will be 1 plus cos square alpha and then it is cos 480 and this minus cos can digest minus, that we know. Okay, so 1 plus cos square alpha and cos 480. How much you can write? 480 you can write it, so you see this one, 360 plus 90 is 450. 450 plus 30. So you can write it here. 450 plus 30, that means 480 I am writing it 450 plus 30. Or you can see from here also, if it reached here, it will, what is the angle it is creating? This was my right angle triangle. So it reached up to this much. This is my 30 degree. 450 plus 30 is 480. So this angle is how much? This angle is 60 degree. So it will take the value of 60 degree here in second quadrant. In second quadrant cos 60 is negative. So you can directly put minus half. Or you can apply cos 450 plus alpha, then it will be shifted to, because if it is cos, then it will be shifted to sin, because it is vertical line, so there will be change, and because cos is here negative, so mother is negative, so son will be negative, so minus half. So here also you can put, or you can directly see, if you reached here, then what is the quadrant angle? This is the triangle that is formed, and what is this angle? This is 60 degree, so it will take cos 60 degree. You can do that way also, you can use this formula also. So now, because you are left, you need to eliminate cos square, because it is only 3 by 2. So you see which formula give you the option, so that one cos square alpha would come here, so that it can get cancelled. So cos 2 alpha, there are lots of formula. So one formula is there, 2 cos square alpha minus 1. 3 formulas are there, cos square alpha minus sin square alpha, 2 cos square alpha minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square alpha. So because I need this cos square to get cancelled, So that's why now if you open the bracket, 2 and 2 get cancelled, this will get cancelled, so it will be 1 plus half, that is 3 by 2. 10x equal to given b by a. You need to find the value of a cos 2x b sin a cos 2x plus b sin 2x, obviously in terms of ab. So cos 2 theta sin 2 theta, you have both the formulas in terms of tan. So cos is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, and sin is 2 tan theta. Your formula should be very clear, then in trigonometry you can apply it anytime. But you have to be very much null to your formula. It should be by heart, and you should keep it close to your heart so that anytime you can recall it. So if I put it just putting the values of 10x, that is b by a. So if you do it, ultimately there will be 1 plus b square by a square will be common there. So 1 plus b square by a square. This you can take in both the denominator it is having. So here if you take LCM, it will be a square minus b square by a, and here if you take LCM, it will be 2b square by a. So if you add it, it will be a square plus b square by a. Then this a square get, because here if you take LCM, then this is also a square plus b square. So ultimately you will be left with a only. So a is your answer. So in question number 6, what is given? 4 theta equal to 11 pi. So if it is written in this fashion, then it may be, I am not getting, because we are so much used to degree. If it gives in degree, then it gives a good feeling to us. So how much it will be? 11 into pi by 4, if you do it, it is 495. You can do it, pi by 4 is 45, 45 into 11, it is 495. Okay, so 495 if I draw, what it will be? 495, 360, 450, and then 45. So it is 495 is here. If you draw, 495 will come here. 360 plus 90, 450, then again 45. So now you can use the either property, or you can directly write the values also. If you draw this one in the exam, so you can directly write the values. So what they are asked to find you? They have asked you to find you sin minus theta plus cos minus theta by sec theta plus tan minus theta. So sin minus theta we know, sin can, this minus will comes out, but cos can digest it. So cos minus sin it will be, and it will be sec minus tan. So if you put it here, so what will be cos 495? So you put this one, cos 495 minus sin 495. You can put it there, I am not writing. So if you put it directly, cos 495, because in this quadrant, so if you draw it right angle triangle in this quadrant, what is this angle? This angle will be 45. So it will take a value of 45. What is cos 45? Minus 1 by root 2. Why minus? Because it is second quadrant. Sin 45, 1 by root 2. Why it is positive? Because it is in second quadrant, sin is positive. Sec theta, in this quadrant, it will be minus, and then root 2. And then this one is tan. Tan is also negative. So tan 45 is 1, so it will be minus 1. So it is tan negative, sec negative, only sin is positive, rest are negative. So if you put it there, it will be, what it will be? Minus 2 by root 2 into 1 by 1 minus root 2. So it will be minus root 2 by 1 minus root 2, or you can say root 2 by root 2 minus 1. If you have calculator, you can keep it like this, or if you have calculator, you solve. If tan 25 is, I think it was given alpha, but it should be a. You can see it is a. Then prove that this. So if you see again here, tan 155. By seeing this, you can have a temptation for going for tan a minus b, because it is a formula, classic formula of tan a minus b. Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan. So but if you apply tan a minus b, then a minus b is 155 minus 115. So 155 minus 115 is how much? 40 degree, tan 40. But they have not given tan 40. So if you go by that tempted way, because this will tempt you to go to tan a minus b. But if you go to tan a minus b, it will be tan 40. So tan 40 you cannot use tan 25 there. And you don't know the value of tan 40 also. It is not standard angle. Standard angle is 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, whose values you know. 18 degree or sin 18 also you know, but this is not in standard. So what you can do, so you don't think that way, then tan a minus b. So let's think how to involve 25. So 155 is 180 minus 25. and 115 is 90 plus 25. So let us involve in that way 25 here, because we need to involve 25 here, because we have to express in terms of 25 only. So we will write it tan 155 is tan 180 minus 25, and tan 115 is 90 plus 25. Okay, now if we apply, tan 180 minus theta is in which quadrant? Second quadrant, no shift, but tan will be 10. So minus tan 25. Tan 90 plus theta, it will be a second quadrant, so it will be again minus, so minus minus will get cancelled, but it is in second quadrant, so it will be cot, so it will be positive. Same here, you can put it here 1 plus minus tan 25 and then minus cot 25. This is also minus, but here it is positive because minus. Now you can put it here. Tan 25 is a and cot 25 is 1 by a, and this is 1 plus tan 25 and cot 25, both will be 1. So it will get cancelled, so minus minus plus, so it is 1. So now you will get how much? In the denominator it will be 2a and it is 1 minus a square. You got it, the answer. That is proved. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.